In this video I will discuss all the signals from the awesome oscillator indicator. In general, this indicator has 4 very strong signals. Watch this video until it's finished. One. What is the awesome oscillator indicator? The awesome oscillator indicator consists of green bars and red bars. This indicator has a line. We call it the center line of the indicator. 2. Awesome oscillator indicator for uptrends and downtrends. In an uptrend, many indicator bars appear above the center line. But when in a downtrend, many indicator bars appear below the center line. Now let's get into the awesome oscillator special signals. A continuous signal occurs when the bar crosses the center line of the same color, green bar for upward trend continuation, and red bars for downtrend continuation. This signal is visible when the bar is at its highest peak or lowest peak. A reversal of direction begins to appear when a color appears opposite to the previous color. New trends can be seen from peaks or valleys that are getting lower. Now let's go to the explanation video. Suggest you to trade on Quotex trading platform, because this platform has many advantages, such as a 30% bonus for the first deposit, has account levels with different benefits, and has many of the most complete tools and indicators. If you want to try it, I have provided a link in the description of this video. On the indicator bar, it is at its highest peak. Usually the signal will change direction, from an uptrend to a downtrend. Then the right choice is the down or sell option.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray